how to fix YouTube online downloads disappearing on an iPhone. What you can do is to adjust iPhone storage space. From the settings app, you're going to click on general and then you're going to tap on iPhone storage. Now, from your iPhone storage, if your phone has less than 2 gigabytes of free storage, iOS will automatically purge offline video cache to prevent system crashes. Third thing that we can do is to turn off download over Wi-Fi only. So we're just going to click on the YouTube app, tap on our profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you're going to tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. From the settings, you're just going to click on background and downloads under video and audio preferences. And then from here, you are going to toggle off download over Wi-Fi only if it is turned on if you are trying to sync or view downloads on cellular data. Another thing that you can do is to disable smart downloads. So from the same settings, you're just going to adjust or disable smart downloads so the app doesn't automatically override your saved videos with new suggestions. So as you can see here, I have both the smart downloads and the download over Wi-Fi only both toggled off and disabled. And that's it. If any of these interest you, then I have linked the product link down below that you can check out.